Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you are well. So let's watch this video of how to make a baby frock dress together. So let's get started. The first thing you'll be needing is your piece of fabric. So she will be cutting both the front piece and the back piece together. She have a width of 8 inches, and the first thing she did was to measure out the shoulder measurement. She used the 4.5 inches for the shoulder measurement, and then the next step was to take the armhole measurement as well. So on the armhole line, she'll be making use of 8 inches bust measurements, the bust measurement of 8 inches. And the next step, she went ahead to measure out for her waist measurement of 7.5 inches. So the next thing is to connect the bust line and the waistline together as shown in the video. And then she went ahead to mark out her neck measurements of 2 inches width and 3 inches depth. So she's connecting that as well, and then she's making the armhole cuff like so. And then the next thing I think is to cut out. Now she'll be cutting out, and she cut out the armhole first, then she moved over to the neck measurement to cut. She used the same measurement for both the front and the back measurement. Okay, so let's wait for our next step. The next step here, she opened it up, and then she took out one of the fabric, they set that aside, and this is the back piece. Now she'll be making a depth, a cut of 2 inches for the button, to give room, to give allowance to the back area. So she slit that open for about 2 inches. So she'll be stitching the bias down, and then the next step is to cut for the lower part of the dress, which is the circular area. So this is the piece of fabric she'll be using, 17 inches width and 17 inches depth as well. So let's check the folding process. The interesting part of this video is this part, the way she folded for the circular cut. She folded this way. So when next you are cutting your umbrella cut, you can fold this way as well. So she marked out 3.5 inches on the upper part of the fabric, and from that, the upper part of the fabric, she'll be taking 17 inches all the way round. So just note the way it's being done. She took it all the way round. So she's going to connect the dots together. Then the next step is to cut out. So having cut out, let's see what she's got. Wow, that's the circular effect for the lower part of the dress. So the next step is to start joining the pieces together. She'll be joining on the shoulder area, and then the next thing, she'll cut out a bias strip to join at the armhole as well. Then the next thing also, she'll cut out a bias also for the neck area. Having done all of that, she's going to join the upper part of the dress to the lower part. Our process is very simple and straightforward. Let me leave you to watch the rest of the video. Please, you can try yours as well. It's beginner friendly video, very easy and straightforward. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Here is the result of the dress. I think this is for 3 to 4 years old baby girl. Very beautiful.